What's up, you guys? It's Mariah and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey. If you're returning, hello. So today we're going to be continuing on with my 12 days of Christmas, where I'll be uploading 12 videos, 12 holiday themed videos from December 1st to December 22nd. So before we get started, you'll definitely want to be sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So go ahead and do that right now and click that bell notification so that you can be notified when I do post a new video. I am currently running a giveaway on my channel. It will end on Wednesday at midnight. So you'll definitely want to be sure to check that out. I'll link it above so that you can do that and enter. I'm gonna be giving away a really cool Disney Christmas item, so you'll definitely want to check that out. But anyway, for today's video, I am doing a tag. This tag was started by my friend Heather over at the Disney Housewife. I will link her channel down below so that you can check her channel out and you can see her doing this tag as well. She just does a tag every year about Christmas and things like that. So she tagged me and I am doing this video, and also towards the end of this video I am going to be showing you some of my some of my Jim Shore Christmas items that I think I got them for the his Christmas in July sale. I think that happened back in July. So yeah, I will be showing those toward the end of the video, but for now, let's get right on into the tag. So I have the questions right here, so if I'm looking down, that's what I'm looking at. And the first question is, when do you start getting excited about Christmas? So I pretty much listen to Christmas music year round, but when I really start getting the itch to really like decorate and, you know, do all that stuff, I'm sorry for all the people who are like, oh, wait till Thanksgiving passes. For me, it's probably like the beginning of November. Yeah, for me, when I start like getting super excited about Christmas. I really do like to decorate before Thanksgiving. I'm sorry. Don't come for me in the comments. But yeah, so that's around when I start getting excited. Like to start, you know, really getting into the season. But now I listen to Christmas music year round, so there's that. Second question is, actually, let me know in the comments below, do you listen to Christmas music year round? Am I the only one? Please let me know. But anyway, the second question is, do you still have an advent calendar? So I do not. I really didn't even really, I don't want to say I didn't know what they were, but like, it wasn't even really at the forefront of my mind until I started a YouTube channel. So, but I do like doing devotionals and things that lead up to Christmas. Because I'm very big on celebrating, as you can see here, the reason for why we celebrate Christmas, and I try to keep my head centered around that. And so that's kind of my way of really like doing Advent. Okay, anyway, the third question is, what are your favorite Christmas films? Okay, so my favorite, I love all Christmas films, so this is not indicative of like saying that if it's not on this list I don't like it. But probably my absolute favorites are the Santa Claus, Home Alone 2. I really like the second. I love the first Home Alone. To me is classic, but I kind of like the second one better than the first one. So Home Alone 2, the Santa Claus with Tim Allen, It's a Wonderful Life, Rudolph. And I love Santa Claus Is Coming to Town as well. Honorable mention would be, I really do love The Grinch with Jim Carrey. I know that's like, you know, some people love it, some people hate it. I happen to be one of the people that really love it. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about The Grinch in the comments below. Or just tell me what your favorite movies are, shoot. Fourth question is, do you have any funny Christmas memories? Ooh. I'm sure there have been some, but honestly, I really can't think of like a funny Christmas memory right off the top of my head. I don't know. I just have very like fond memories of Christmas, you know. There's nothing that's really been super hilarious. There's nothing funny, dramatic that has happened, you know, over the years. There might have been, but I just can't think of it right now. I'm so sorry. But there have been, I just have very fond memories when I think of Christmas. Like, you know, decorating the tree and decorating your house and being at church, or I don't know. So anyway, I'm sorry. If I think of it, I'll say it, but I can't think of one right off the top of my head. I'm so sorry. The fifth one is talk us through your typical Christmas day. So our Christmas day is pretty chill. Normally the day that we do a lot is on Christmas Eve, actually. But for the sake of this question, Christmas Day, we'll watch the Disney Christmas parade, actually, or at least yeah, typically we will. I'm over at my aunt's house, so I'll watch that in the morning and just talk with her as she's getting ready for the day and she's cooking and stuff like that. And then I head over to my grandma's house and we just chill. We open presents, of course, eat. My grandma cooks, but yeah, it's pretty chill day. Yeah. Family will come in, extended family will come in and out of the house, stop by and say hey, but yeah, it's a pretty chill day. So here's Christmas Day for you. 6, what do you eat for Christmas dinner? Typically we eat pretty much the same meal that we eat for Thanksgiving, which so much food. I'm not even gonna go through it all, but I think the only difference is sometimes my grandma will do a ham, but normally there's a turkey, and we'll have barbecue because we have barbecue on Christmas Eve, so we'll like have that as leftovers. And then my aunt cooks dishes. She does like a Brussels sprout gratin. It's really good. God, so much stuff. Rolls, cranberry salad, all that good stuff that you pretty much think of at Christmas is what we will do. So, I mean Thanksgiving, sorry. Do you have any Christmas traditions? For Christmas Eve, since I mentioned it, we normally do a pig picking. If you're from the South, you know what that is. But we basically cook like an entire pig like on a grill. So yeah, it's like the real deal, okay? And it's out in the country too, so it's so good. But yeah, that's a Christmas tradition that we do every single year. We just talk and all that. It's a good time. So let's see. 8 is, which are your favorite Christmas songs? So for secular like Christmas music, I really like This Christmas is probably my favorite like secular song. And I love Carol of the Bells too. Oh, I love it. All renditions, a cappella, instrumental, like, oh my God. When I hear that, I'm like, yes, it's Christmas. And then for like actual songs about Christmas, I really like Oh Holy Night. Oh Holy Night. And I like Joy to the World. I love all Christmas songs, Lord Jesus. Oh, I love Angels We Have Heard on High. And what's the other song, Lord? I can't think of it. Oh, I can't think of the other song that I love, but honestly, I love all Christmas music, so there's that. And then number 9, what is the best Christmas present you ever received? Yeah, I can't really think of one, to be honest. I mean, because typically I think of like the memories and stuff of Christmas, not really the gifts. So the one gift that I've always remembered is when I was in the 4th grade, I got like a scooter because those were super popular. Oh my gosh. I just remember being so shocked that I got one because every kid in the neighborhood had one. But yeah, that's like the one thing I remember. It's just so funny. Oh gosh. Okay, and the 10th question is real or fake Christmas tree. So I have a fake one, and my family has always used a fake one. But whenever I would love to start doing real Christmas trees. My aunt has one every year. She goes to the mountains in North Carolina and gets one every single year. And I would love to do that, actually. Like when I get married and like have a family and stuff, I would love to do that. I would love to have like a real Christmas tree in the house. I know people are like, oh, you gotta, I mean, you just gotta water it. I mean, it's okay. But anyway, so yeah, there's that. And now we will go ahead and move on to, I just have the 3 Gem Shore items that I'm gonna show you. They're actually right here. So the first one and these are all I got from the Christmas in July sale. So I told you I love Rudolph. It's one of my favorite films. It's very nostalgic for me. So I had to get this figure. It is so, I love it. And Rudolph, look at Rudolph. And Santa in his little bag. And look at the bottom. I love the blue and like the ivy down here on the bottom. And the iceberg, y'all remember that scene? And it actually lights up. It does require AAA batteries, and I haven't put them in here yet. So I can't show you, but it does have a switch at the bottom so that you can turn it on and off. But yeah, I was so excited to find this. And like the snow is like glitter. You probably can't tell. This snow right here is glitter, and I just love glittery things. So that's the first item that I got. And then I just love all the classic, I keep saying Disney, it's not Disney. The classic Christmas films. And this is from Frosty, and this is Karen and Hocus Pocus. Oh, geez. I freaking love this. Frosty always gave me like the feels watching it when I was a kid. So, and Karen, I just love it. Gem Shore is just freaking amazing. So there is the second one I picked up. And then the last one I picked up is Disney. I keep saying Disney, so here we go. It is a snow globe, and it is actually Minnie and Mickey dancing. It's like they're in the Nutcracker ballet. And fun fact, I actually used to take ballet for a really long time, actually. So when I saw this, it made me think of me doing ballet. When I was doing ballet, we danced to some song in the Nutcracker like every year as a performance, Christmas performance. And so anyway, so look at that. So it's like Mickey dressed up as a Nutcracker and then Minnie with her ballet outfit. I love it. And look at the bottom. It's really cute, and it does play some music. So here we go. Yes, I love it. It just reminds me of doing ballet, which is awesome. Just trying to, I love that. I love this so much, y'all. Oh, and you can kind of see at the bottom, look at the dance floor, their dance floor. It's like checkered. Awesome. Anyway, so I was so happy to get that one as well, but I just wanted to show y'all because, hey, fun stuff. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you like those figures as much as I do, because I freaking love them. But anyway, yeah, I hope y'all are having a great holiday season and not letting the busyness of the season overwhelm you. And I tag I know this is a tag video. I tag anyone who wants to do this. I'm not going to tag anybody specific because I know life is super busy right now for a lot of people. So I'm not going to really tag specific people. But if you want to do it, please do it. And let me know if you do it because I want to watch it. But anyway, I will leave the questions below and everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. I love you all. And as always, I hope y'all have a magical day.
Glory to the newborn King.